Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful. Today we will discuss few verses of the Holy Quran in which there is a mention of the Creator, that Allah Almighty has created the heavens and the earth and whatever lies between them, and Allah Almighty regulates all the affairs from the heavens to the earth, and that all the things belong to Allah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. إن ربكم الله الذي خلق السماوات والأرض في 6 أيام ثم استوى على العرش يغشي الليل النهار يطلبه حثيثا والشمس والقمر والنجوم مسخرات بأمره ألا له الخلق والأمر تبارك الله رب العالمين. Chapter 7 verse number 54. Allah Almighty says, Inna indeed Rabbakum, your Lord, Allahu Allah, Allazi, the one who خلق السماوات, created the heavens, والأرض, and the earth, في in 6 أيام. Ayyam is the plural of Yom, and Yom here doesn't mean 24 hours day, because these 24-hour days are created with the creation of the heavens and the earth. When this solar system, this earth and sun, they were created. Yom means a long duration of time of new developments. So, fi sittati ayyamin khalaqa as-samawati wal ard, created the heavens and the earth. Fi in sittati 6 ayyamin, stages or periods. Summa stawa, then he established himself, or he ascended, al arsh, on the throne. Yughshi, he covers al-layla, the night, an-nahar, with the day. Yatlubuhu, seeking it, hasisan, rapidly. The night follows the day rapidly, and the day follows the night rapidly. Washamsa, and the sun, wal qamar, and moon, wal nujum, and the stars, musakharatin bi amri, are subjected by his command. Allah, unquestionably, lahu, for him, al khalq, the creation, wal amr, and command. That is, his is the creation and his is the command. Tabarakallahu, blessed is Allah, Rabbul Alameen, Rabb of the worlds, Lord of the worlds. Chapter 7 verse 54. The next verses are from chapter 32. Allah Almighty says, Allahullazi, Allah is the one who khalaqa as-samawati, created the heavens, wal ard, and the earth, wa ma baynahuma, and whatever lies between them, fi in sittati ayyamin, in 6 ayyam, 6 stages or 6 periods. Summa stawa, then he established himself, al arsh, on the throne. Malakum, not for you, min dunihi, besides him, min, any waliyan, protector, wala shafi'in, not any intercessor. Afala tatazakkarun, then will you not take heed, will you not take admonition? Afala tatazakkarun. Chapter 32 verse number 4. The next verse is from the same chapter, verse number 5. Chapter 32. Yudabbirul amra, he regulates the affairs, or he manages the affairs. Min as-samai, from the heaven, ilal ard, to the earth. Summa, then, ya'ruju, it will ascend, ilayhi, to him. Fi in yawmin, a day, kana miqdaruhu, the measure of which, alfa sana, 1,000 years, mimma ta'uddun, of that which you count. In these verses, Allah Almighty says that Allah is the one who has created the heavens and the earth and whatever lies between them in 6 ayyam, 6 stages or 6 periods. Then he established himself on the throne. There is no protector for you besides Allah Almighty, wala shafi'an, and not any intercessor. And Allah Almighty regulates the affairs He manages the affairs from the heavens to the earth. In both of these verses, Allah Almighty says that He has created all the things, the heavens and the earth and whatever lies between them, and all the things are in His control. Allah lahul khalq wal amr. Unquestionably, His is the creation and command. And in these verses of chapter 32, verse number 4 and 5, also Allah Almighty says that He has created all the things and He regulates all the affairs. All the things are in His control. All the things belong to Him. And after creation, He has not left the things. And in the last part of verse number 5 of chapter 32, Allah Almighty says that it will ascend to Him in a day, the quantity of which, the measure of which is 1,000 years of that which you count. As we said earlier, that Yom or Ayyam doesn't mean 24 hours day, rather it means a longer duration. So in this verse, Allah Almighty says, Kana miqdaruhu alfa sana, the measure of which is 1,000 years. Mimma ta'udun, of that which you count. Next verses are from chapter 45. Allah Almighty says, Tanzilan mimman khalaqa al-arda was-samawati al-ula الرحمن على العرش استوى هو ما في السماوات وما في الأرض وما بينهما وما تحت الثرى. Tanzilan, it's a revelation. Mimman, from Him who خلق الأرض, created the earth, والسماوات, and the heavens, al-ula, the high, ar-Rahman, the compassionate, the most gracious, the entirely merciful, على العرش استوى, on the throne established, lahu, to Him belongs, ma fi samawat, whatever is in the heavens, wa ma fil ard, and whatever is in the earth, wa ma baynahuma, and whatever is between them, wa ma tahta sara, and what is under the soil. Allah Almighty says that this Quran, this holy book, is a revelation from the one who has created the heavens and the earth and whatever lies between them, and to Him belongs that which is there in the heavens and that which is in the earth and that which is in the depths of the earth. So in these verses from chapter number 7 and chapter 32 and chapter 45, in all these verses there is a mention that Allah Almighty is the creator of the heavens and the earth and whatever lies between them. In chapter 7 and chapter 32 and chapter 45, the next thing mentioned in these verses is that all the things belong to Allah Almighty. They are in the control of Allah Almighty, and Allah Almighty has created all these things and He regulates all the affairs from the heaven to the earth. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk.